In your new house, my little sister has her own room. My little brother has his own room. And of course, you and your wife share a room. But she also has her own office, her own bathroom, and her own walk-in closet. You have a room just for your video games. The cats have claimed the basement. Even the dog has her own room. And yet somehow in your 4-story house with 2.5 bathrooms and 5 bedrooms, the only space for me is the space on the couch. And you wonder why I don't visit. I don't visit because I've come to see that your life is a lot like your house, where there's more room for your video games than there are for your daughter. I guess it's because you like to play games. And I really do believe that for a long time you tried your hardest to play daddy. I just wish that someone had told you being a father is not a game. Little girls don't come equipped with undo buttons. There is nothing you can press to start our relationship back at its last checkpoint. But that didn't stop you from pressing. You like to press my buttons, especially the ones closest to my heart. You like to talk shit about my mother. You say stuff like, if that bitch was on fire, I wouldn't piss on her to put her out. Stop talking about my mother and expecting me to laugh. I don't find it amusing. And I doubt you would if I returned the favor with your wife, the mother of your children. Of course, if I did that, you'd say I was jealous. But if we're being honest, on most days, I like her more than I like you. But you've got a habit of blaming other people for your mistakes. Because according to you, you've never made a mistake. Apparently, shirking your responsibilities isn't a mistake if I have a mother. You say stuff like, can't your mother do that? Can't your mother pay for that? My mother shouldn't have to be a mommy and a daddy when I have a daddy. At least I thought I had a daddy. When did you decide to stop being my daddy when I needed my daddy? I needed you. I know I don't admit it often, but it's only because I'm afraid you won't listen. When did you stop listening? I think maybe it was around the time you moved into your new house, and your video games have more space than me. Your wife's shoes have more space than me. The cats have more space than me. Your dog has more space for me. There isn't any space for me in your life. But I guess I shouldn't be angry. I guess someone finally told you, because you finally stopped playing daddy.